Testing, testing, testing the microphone. Looks like it's working. Cool. Alright, sorry for waiting. Just setting things up here. We will get started in a minute here. Alright, Arca members, new members, people who don't know who Arca is or know nothing about us in particular. Welcome to my stream video. I gotta fix one little thing here before I start. I just noticed I messed up something here. There we go. Alright, welcome to the stream. This will be a first look and a setup for the new Hybrid Elite that Arca has most graciously made for us. Turn on my music here. So I'm not that great at streaming, so please forgive me for any mistakes that I might make right now. I am not Arca, at least not yet. Alright, so I got music turned down a little bit here. Get back in my trading view here. Alright, welcome again to the Arca Bulls trading team features and first look and setup for the Hybrid Elite with yours truly. I am Panda. I am for the Arca Bulls trading team. For those that don't know, Arca Bulls is a trading Discord service. I shouldn't say service, it's more of a group where we trade and stuff like that. So if you're interested in the stock markets, learning more about the stock market, how we trade, I would highly suggest checking us out. But this is strictly for the Hybrid Elite indicator and algorithm that Arca has made. So before we start, this is a quick disclaimer. This is not financial advice in any way, shape, or form. The information that is shown is to be used by your own discretion only. Not doing any technical analysis. I'm not being paid in any way to review or talk about this subject. I'm doing it on my own free will to help you, the members, and any new people that decide to pick up this particular indicator. And just take this information as is. This is not financial advice. So before we start, if you don't know me, I am Panda. I joined the Arca Bulls team in June 17th of 2024, so I'm fairly new to the team, but I do like helping everybody that I can. Current ArcMaster student, and if you don't know about the ArcMaster class or university, I highly suggest you sign up for that. I was in strategies. I will be going into executions here soon enough. And yeah, I'm a panda bear. Nah, just kidding. But I will not sell you. I've noticed a lot of impersonators coming by now and sending DMs to our members. So just remember, I will not message you anything or message you to sell you anything. Sorry. So if you get any messages like that trying to sell you subscriptions or what was it, copy trade crap, that's not me. Hybrid Elite. This is a very cool thing because if you watch the Omega video that I posted out, that one was for short selling. This one is basically both an alpha and an omega all at once, which is really cool. This is strictly, I wouldn't say strictly for crypto. You can probably use this in your trading as well. You just won't be able to auto trade on the asset side as of yet. We are still trying to figure that out. So, but for crypto, and in particular, um, futures contracts for crypto, this will work very well. And we'll go into that later on here. But anyways, so this is Arca's first ever dual strategy multi-phase criteria algorithm. All this information is on the TradingView profile on him, but I'm not sure if anybody can actually access it without having it, so I'll put this up for you guys. The Hybrid Elite is an all-in-one strategy combining dual EMAs, optional higher time frame confirmation, ETR, and stochastic filters, flexible order executions, configurable bias, and built-in risk management. That's a new one. For visual flair, it also displays a 20 EMA ribbon backdrop. This is how it works. The EMA cross generates long, short signals when you choose the fast or slow EMAs crossover under. Volatility filter, you got a momentum filter, HTF confirmation, strategy bias, both long and short. And you can do either or. Pretty cool. You got your inputs, and all this is very customizable. So I will post up what Arca has recommended, but I would play around with it as well. It works on different time frames. You get different results on different time frames. I'll show you that later. But yeah, you got all this here. I'm not gonna read it. How it works: the order execution signal generation. I should say generator. Sorry. Long when fast MA crosses above slow MA and all enabled filters are satisfied. Short when fast MA crosses below slow MA and filters pass. You got all these filters, and like I said, you can customize it any way you like. Order execution. Market entries execute immediately at the next bars open. Limit entries submit a limit order at the crossover price. Risk management on entry. The script sets both a take profit and stop loss order. If trailing is enabled, a trailing stop is placed at the specific percentage offset that you have set yourself. Backtesting. This is a big one for your strategies as well. Use your preferred market, stocks, FX, crypto, and time frame. In Strategy Tester, set an initial capital and commission slippage to match your broker, and I will explain that when I get to the TradingView part of this. Actually, you know what? Let me do that right now. Hold on. Let me get my TradingView up and I'll show you guys. Okay, so you got your Hybrid Elite out here. So this is what we're talking about with the properties here. Put your initial capital, order size, your EMAs. So this is the recommended EMA, or the recommended inputs that Arca has given out. EMA 3 to 5. Source price closing again, you can change it how you like. You got your ATR filter, if that changes anything. Yeah, a little bit. So you got your ATR filter, stochastic filter. If you are in the Arc University or know anything about our stochastic volatility strategy, you will know what I'm talking about here. ATF confirmation. Sorry, HTF confirmation, 5 minutes. Your order type limit, bias mode both, take profit 0.4, stop loss 2.6, trailing offset on 2.3, and inputs in the stats line. Again, this is recommended. but it's, you know, you play it how you want to play it. Sometimes it'll change, and I have it on the 1 hour. If you notice on the bottom here, this is my strategy tester, where it's showing how much it has made since. So let's see, list of trades. Let's pull this up real quick. It has been trading since July 10th of 2024, so about a year now. This is only with a amount of $3,500 with an 85% equity, and this is on the XRP. I can, I can change this to whatever I want, so, 1,000, see what it shows on here. Overview, so there you go. Now, in order to, no, I don't think you need a subscription of TradingView to do this, but it helps. This should work with any basic TradingView account. If it doesn't, let me know. But yeah, that's your inputs right there. Show it one more time here. Screenshot if you want. Now I have to say, let's see if this will work. No, okay. I need to show something real quick. Okay, there we go. Okay, so people that do have this and have played with Alpha and Omega before and are having a little bit of trouble trying to figure out why their thing isn't working. Have you noticed, oh. If you notice, there's no, well, I guess it doesn't work with this one either. Jesus Christ. It won't show the buy or sell signals if it's not working. It shows I have $20 in here, so it's definitely still working. It's just if it doesn't show the buy sell signals on here, then it's probably not working for you. I'm just gonna point that out right now. Let me see if I can do it this way. There we go. You see the difference? Short exit. It'll show on the screen if it's actually working or not. So if it doesn't show this, then it's not trading. And I'll explain that a little bit more here in a minute. Get back to this now. Alright, so the backtesting, optimized filters, showed you that already. For intraday charts, enable a 4H HTF confirmation to avoid whipsaws. Risk parameters, start with a modest 1 to 2% and a small trailing offset of 0.5. Review equity curve, test your target to your risk tolerance. Visual assignment, or assessment, sorry. So observe the 20 EMA ribbon. Tight ribbons imply strong trends, fanning out suggested indecisions. So if you notice the ribbons on the chart here, that's what that is. It's a really cool visualization too. I really like that. So that is it for my slideshow. Consider the Arca Bulls trading team. If you are new here, there's the link for that. Check out Arca's channel as well. Type Arca Bulls in the search bar. We do regular market opening, live trading, and nightly market preps. Special member only indicators, like I have not shown you that yet, but anybody who knows it's a really great indicator. Friendly, helpful members, and free cookies. I'm just kidding, no. Okay, so I have not gotten Arca's approval for this, but special offer to the first 5 people who watch this video that are brand new. DM Arca that you saw this video, and I'll personally pay for the free month for you guys. So this is only for 5 people. Let Arca know that I sent you and you watched this video, and I will personally pay your free month. Also consider joining the Arca Masters course if you're brand new to trading. I highly recommend it. We have 4 different courses: beginners, strategies, executions, and psychology. Use that email for more information. Let me go back to my trading view real quick now, and I'll show you a little bit more here. So for the people who are asking how to set this up, let me see if I can find my account real quick. That's not it. Alright. Okay, so how to set this up. So let's say you have a Blowfin or a Femex or a Pionex or whatever the hell else they have for, and I'm talking about futures trading. I'm not talking about spot trading, because you might be able to have this work for spot trading only if you're buying. You can't short, I believe. I could be wrong about that, but from my experience right now, I don't think you can short spot. So let's just say you have a Blowfin account like I do. This is where I've been practicing this. Make sure I go in the right spot here first. Okay, so we got futures. Want to go to trading bots, okay? From there, you want to go to signal bot. Okay. And I've got, you know, a couple of testings here, but okay, you want an ag signal name, and this will be grouped, and I'll show you what I mean by that. So let's say hybrid elite stream. I'll do that. Test for stream. Okay. Go to next. So this is what you're going to need for your trading view outlook. So let me go back to my trading view real quick. Okay. Go to here, these 3 dots, when you get your Hybrid Elite. You want to go to Add Alert. Go to your messages. Make sure it shows this too, but also, I should mention this before I forget. Make sure your thing, excuse me, your chart is showing the right exchange. So this one says Femex. I'm using Blowfin. I need to change that. So let's see if they even have it on Blowfin here. If not, then I'll have to show you something different here, but yeah, they got so many different exchanges on here. It might be a pain in the ass to find. You got Kraken, you got Bybit, you got ICE, you got Upbit, Crypto.com. I know there's Blowfin in here as well. I just don't know if the XRP is going to show. Oh, there we go. Blowfin. XRP USD Tether right here. Okay. So we want to make sure your exchange shows on here. If it doesn't show it on here, then it won't work. Just letting that out right now. So make sure it says, you know, I'm using Blowfin, so it has to show Blowfin on there. Now, add alert. Same as chart. Make sure you're in the right time frame that you want to be in. So I'm using an hourly, which is showing me 75. I gotta change that. So let's say my account's really small right now since I was just testing the connectivity of it, so it's for actually 60. Hey, still making 16 bucks. Hey, look at that. Neat. I'm gonna use the 1 minute, and you'll notice it'll change on the bottom as well. If it's not trading, and it's not trading. Alright, so I'm gonna have to change that. But take this off too, just to make sure. Oh, it's quantity, yeah. I want equity. There we go. Hey, even with that, look at that. Okay, I'm gonna do a 1 minute, see if it pops up again. Okay, so minus. We gotta make sure it's trading at least. 5 minute looks good. Because I kind of want to show you guys what it looks like when it does an alert. So, but anyways. So you add an alert. Make sure you're in the right time frame that you want to be in. You go to your messages. You can add a custom name. This'll pop up over here, where it shows, you know, and it's just to help you organize your own alerts. Like this one, I had an hybrid testing on here. So you don't have to put one in, but I recommend it. So I'll just do hybrid stream test. Let me get back to Blowfin real quick. Okay, so we're back out here in Blowfin. You're adding your trading view signal. You want to take this whole thing here, and copy it. There's a copy button here too as well. You just want to copy it. Let's go back to your here. You're going to delete everything off of here. You're going to paste it. This is the script that Blowfin uses for your own account. So this is unique to your own account. Actually, technically, this is the one that's unique to your own account, but I just recommend just copying and pasting it. Okay, unless we say otherwise, that's what it is. Now, webhook URL will be this one, and this is my personal one because that's what's on the website. If you're using a different exchange, it's going to show a little different. But for me, using this is what my webhook URL is. So you want to copy that, and I'll also make a Phoenix version of this at a later date when we get that set up. But right now, this is it'll show something similar on your own unique exchange. So let's go back to here. You can get this. Okay. If everything looks correct for you, you push create. It should pop up here. Hybrid stream test here. And on the 5 minute, so when it pops up a signal, it'll give me a, on my list of trades here, it'll show, and it'll actually show on the here as well. But I also need to finish setting that up, so hold on, let me pause this. This is where you pause, restart it. If you do a different time frame, you will have to make a new one. So this is exclusively for my 5 minute. If I make a 10 minute, then I'll have to make a new one for the 10 minute. You can't exactly change this and have it reflect it, so I'd suggest just making a new one. So let's go back here. Oh, we'll complete. So here's the stream. I have not made a bot yet. This is the group. Just remember that. This is not going to work unless you create a bot. Now make sure you put in the same crypto that you're using from your graph. Excuse me. So I got XRP. Leverage. Be very careful with your leverage, by the way. I'm using a small account, so I can get liquidated very quickly, but I'm just going to do a 3x on this one since I have a small account. Invested margin, and I'll have to show you this later. I'll show you this later, but here's my available amount. You can change that to however you like. This will keep, how do you want to put it? If anyone used 3 commas with me, you will know, you'll probably understand what this means. Whereas you put your amount that you're willing to use. So a maximum of whatever I have in my account, I can use it. So let's say I have $5,000 in my account. I can make multiple bots on different different assets, and I can put different amounts on each of them. So that's what this means here. This is just, I'm just allocating, you know, let's say $53 out of my $60 for this particular. So that's how much I can lose. And it'll stop trading if I go under that. So, and then you also have a take profit stop loss. This won't really matter though, because TradingView, the alert will, if you set it up already on the algorithm, it'll just do it there. So we'll create a bot. We'll confirm it. And now we have it running. So let's see if we get any actual orders in the next 5 minutes, but here's what I actually wanted to show you guys. Let's see, where was it? Connect. Okay, so here's my overview. So this is the interesting thing about Blofin that I figured out. So you have your total equity. You need to actually put it in the futures account. You can't have it in just funding. If you have it in just funding, your bot won't work. You have to have it in the futures account or the spot account if you're doing spot trading. So just remember, it has to be in futures. Let's go back to my trading bot real quick. Here it is. Here's the signal bot set up and running. So did I not show that? I'm sorry. No, I don't know what I'm showing. So yes, this is the XRP. I'm gonna go back and show it again if I didn't show it. So make sure it's in the futures, not in funding, or else it will not work. And I believe that is it for now. We're just gonna wait for a signal to show up. Trading bot out here. So yeah. See if it'll show anything. Let's go back to the trading view. overall list of trade zones would look too bad, isn't it? Even with a small account. Small account of $60 and we're still making profit, baby. That gives us a small fries or a small accounts hope. I'll be putting more money in it. I'm just, again, just testing the connectivity of it, but that definitely gives us hope here. God, I hope it doesn't take too long here. Also, if anyone has any questions, feel free to DM me. If you are in the Arca Bulls trading group, and I will try and answer your questions best of my abilities. Also, I do have the live chat up on my YouTube, so if you have questions, let me know. But we're just waiting for a signal, so I believe I have on the 5 minutes, yeah, so. Last signal popped up, let's see, 20, 19, 18, so 8 o'clock, my time. Last signal, about 15 minutes. I wouldn't think it would take that long, so. Alright, since this thing's not cooperating with us, I want to show you something. I'll just show you what I showed Arca. Go back in my thing here. So I'm in my Arca DMs here. Um, so this is what it's supposed to look like. You will have a pop-up showing that you had a buy or sell whatever position it picked. And here's the signal triggers. I've done 12 triggers on my previous trade. Don't worry about this. Again, I was basically just testing it out. And there's your status ongoing. But it will show you on it'll pop up whatever screen you're on. It'll pop up this little thing about, you know, an alert popping up, trading view, action, whatever. Here's the event history on my Blowfin account that showed that it was triggering the amounts, the buy action, sell action, investment type, and the order details. I'm hoping it'll pop up in a minute, but I don't know if it's gonna do it, unfortunately. And unfortunately, I think I deleted my old ones too, so I can't exactly show you that. Which kind of sucks, but... yeah, I deleted my other bots here. So I can't exactly show you that. But yeah, you can stop your bot at any time here, and you can stop your bot on the alerts as well. So... just be careful with your leverage. Even though you're only going to lose what you put in your account, the type, you have to be very careful what you're doing with leverage. Just, oh yeah, that's right. I should show you this real quick, because I watched a video just recently on this. See if I can find the video real quick. This video right here. I highly suggest watching this video if you don't know anything about the crypto leveraging. This would be a good video here. Not gonna play it. I'm just... so it's from crypto trading guides, crypto leveraging trading explained. So watch this video if you don't know, or if you don't understand how leveraging works. This is a great way to learn. I highly suggest this video here. Signal yet? Or did we get a signal? No. Oh, no, we did get a signal. I guess I missed it. Why didn't it pop up? Show notifications. Yeah, it should have shown up. I'm not sure why it didn't. But yeah, it should be trading right now. Let's see if it's popped up on my feed. Okay, so it's not showing. And I wonder why. Okay, XRP, USD. Okay, so let's go back to my trading view real quick. XRP USD. PUSD per. I wonder if maybe it's oh, I think I know why. I think I know why. Because they don't have it on Blowfin, that's why. Alright, I'm sorry for wasting all your time. Okay, so it's not showing for Blowfin on the XRP USD on here. I know what well though. I'm kind of curious why it didn't do that. Let's figure this out while I'm here. Okay, you know what? I know which one well though. So I have been testing Fartcoin. So let's do it with Fartcoin, shall we? So let's go back to the properties. Crazy how much I made just from $60 to $1,000 just on Fartcoin. But anyways, no, I haven't made that much. It's again, it's a back test, so back testing from how long ago? June 8th of 2025. So that's actually this year, this month. And it's made, if I would have started trading that, it would have already made me $1,000. So that's just, you know, again, initial capital only $60, 50% of equity, so it's only trading $30 every trade. Here's my inputs for this one. This is a little different. This is my inputs, so if you wanna copy it, go right ahead. I will post results on the Arca Bulls channel. So if you're not subscribed and you're new, you know what to do. So, anyways, so we're gonna do this way because I don't know why XRP isn't working for this one. Let me switch over to my Blowfin and we'll start this all over again. So I can go to my Hybrid Elite stream since I got this. Oh yeah, hold on. If you noticed, I still have my XRP up. And I only have $7. That's because 53 of it, of my account, is in this particular bot. So that's as much as I can lose on this bot. So I'm gonna stop this so I can get my money back. Right there. Just do 60 like I said it was. Okay. Let's do fart. Just because. Confirm. Create the bot. Oh, what the hell. Okay. So what I'm going to do with this now, we're going to switch over to my trading view again. Going to stop this hybrid stream. We're going to edit this because even though I made the new bot, this actually stays the same. So I'm just going to copy this and I'll make a new one here. Let's go here, add alert, your messages. I'm on the 1 minute. This should make it faster so we can actually see it happen in real time. Okay, Dolphins account's done. Okay, so we're good there. Oh shit, look at that, it's going up. Let's go to list of trades. Here's an open short right now. Damn. Should've gotten to that one. Oh, never mind. So we're basically waiting for this one to close. Once this closes, it makes a new signal. Then it should work. So for leverage, it's the 2.64. I would have been losing, was it 5 times that? Okay, so Destiny has asked me. Destiny is a Arca member as well. She says, "How come my indicator does not work or show buy sell signals like yours?" Destiny, let me text you real quick. Actually, give me a minute here. I'm gonna do this for you. Because I don't know which one you're talking about. Talk about the big buy-sell ones. I believe that might just be a style issue. Okay, so that's the trades on charts, that's the signals, that's quantity. There we go. That one right there. Pain labels. Destiny, I'm not sure if you're watching, but that's what that is a pain label. I will screenshot that for you. Oh, we got one. We got a signal. Let's see if it, and it closed $8 in the red. That's not good. But I don't think it's going to show on my... Okay, so it is showing. Okay, so let me show you here real quick. So it did do a signal. I'm not sure if I want that signal though, because I think it closed it. So I might have to close that particular trade. Oh no, no it is. It is showing. Nope, it's exit. Okay. So that's something where I have to figure out too. And you're figuring out with me right now, actually, so... I'm gonna stop that real quick. And I'm going to create... Oops, sorry. I should switch my screen here. So I stopped my bot because it was actually trading and it was in the down, even though the trading view showed that it was already exited short. Oh, wait a minute. I might have screwed up. Shit. Sorry, this is a learning experience for all of us, so I think I might have messed up. It's still open short. Shoot. I should have just left it. My bad. It was showing, I'm sorry. That's my fault. I'll have to make a new one. It actually opened up a trade. And I thought it was supposed to. Let's try that again, shall we? I lost $20 or 20 cents, so not a big deal. Still hasn't sold it though. Or did it? Let me check. No, it's still open. There's your sell signal. You know, while we're waiting, I am going to pop up my Omega 1 for Destiny real quick. If you know where you find your indicators, it's this button here. And all your subscriptions and stuff will be in this invite only. Make sure you star on it so you can have your personal favorites. But let's see, Omega 1. I believe that's what Destiny's looking at right now. Of course, my overview's not showing anything. Oh, we got a buy signal! Yay! Okay, let's go back to our fart coin real quick and see what's going on. Okay, so that closed it, and it opened up damn it, closed at $3? Alright, here we go. I need to show you this now. So it's trading now. I'm at five times leverage. Here's my total P&L. Unrealized P&L. Here's your signal. It's ongoing. So it's actually trading by itself right now. Very, very cool. Now let me go back to my thing here, and I gotta see what I can do for Destiny. So Omega 1's a little different. For people who don't know what Omega 1 is, it is a short biased indicator, algorithm trader. So basically like hybrid, except that it only does shorts. So if you're short bias, this would be a good indicator for you to pick up. Or pick up hybrid, you know. I mean, you can do both on hybrid. but yeah, let me figure this out real quick. Where the hell is it? Just do this, Coinbase. Coinbase and Coinbase. Okay. Does it show on here? Labels is that. Change in charts. Yeah, Destiny, I don't think it shows a buy-sell signal on this. It just shows the shorts and take profits. So Omega 1 does not have the buy-sell signals, which is weird. That might be something Arca might put in the future, I don't know. I would think that the other ones might have it though. We check Omega Light and see if that shows up. Not just lines and tables for the Omega Light. Omega Advanced maybe? No, not on that either. So yeah, sorry to say it does not have the buy sell signals on the Omega. Probably makes sense though because you're shorting, so don't want to make it that mixed up. Let me show you this real quick here. Because I am down $2 right now. Which is fine. Let's see what it shows here. It shows $1. The only reason why is because, if you notice, I have 0 commission. I need to figure out how much commission is on Blowfin. So, once you figure out your commission percentage, which is basically, you know, the tier list of how much they take out per trade, then this would be more accurate. But as of right now, I have it at 0%, which is not accurate. And so it only shows $1 when I'm actually losing 3, and also because I'm 5% leveraged, or 5 times leverage. I'm sorry. So yeah, if I was one time leverage, this would probably be a lot different as well. So just remember that if you're doing leverage, it's going to be a little different with your unrealized and realized P&L. minus $2. Hopefully it drops. Or no, we're longing it. Okay. So hopefully it goes up. Shit, I don't want to go down. Alright, we'll let this one close and then I think that'll be it for his stream. I need to help a fellow member here for a minute, so I'll just leave it at this real quick. And I will be right back.